I just did the COVID-19. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. I am walking to my car right now because I'll just be vlogging today because I have a lot to do, so I figured why not just take y'all along with me. I am going to be taking a COVID-19 test. I will be traveling for the first time since COVID, and by traveling I mean like on a plane, and I am really nervous about the COVID-19 test, but I don't think they'll do the one where they push it like all the way up. I think they'll just do the one there. They're just like, I'll try to vlog it for y'all. Guys, I have this AncestryDNA kit that I bought. I bought it on sale. I bought it on sale for $59, me and my friend. But she actually sent in hers and got her results a long time ago. But then like, I've just been like so preoccupied with other things, I wasn't able to do mine, so I'll be doing it today and dropping it off, so hopefully I'll get my results in like a month or so. Yeah, so I'll be doing that, but right now I just gotta drive to get the COVID-19 test, so I will see you guys when I get there. So I made it to the COVID testing place, so if it starts to hurt then I just take it off.
No, if it starts to hurt, you're doing a good job.
So I'm supposed to hurt myself?
You're supposed to stick.
Yeah.
You're supposed to. So, alright, so you're going to go up into your nose, right?
Right.
You're going to push up until you feel some resistance, right? But don't push past resistance, so it shouldn't hurt. As soon as you feel resistance, you stop.
Right,
okay?
Got it.
Then you're going to do 5 circles in each nostril.
5 in
with the
each.
same Q-tip.
That's...
Not 5 like this.
It's like...
But 5 like this.
Yeah, okay.
With the same Q-tip. It's not nasty because it's your nose.
It is not nasty because I wouldn't use the same, but it's okay.
It's your nose. I mean, you blow your nose at the same time, same tissue, right?
Okay.
You don't blow one nostril, right?
Okay, graphic much.
Good, good. Alright, so,
Extra points for yelling at your
make sure that the tip of this only touches the inside of your nose, so we'll have to start all over again. Okay?
Yeah, and I won't. I don't
Make
want
sure
that.
you make contacts with the walls of the nose to get a good sample.
So like,
Yep.
right here.
Okay.
Okay.
If you feel burning, like I said, or some discomfort, or your eyes start to water, you want to sneeze, it's because you're in a good spot.
Okay.
Today's Friday.
Okay, here. I just did the COVID-19 test, and it wasn't bad. It wasn't, because it didn't go all the way up. I have the AncestryDNA kit. It looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this. And then I gotta open it. It's sealed actually. So, and it comes with your activation kit, which is your code. I'm not gonna show you my code because it's none of y'all business, but I'll read it to you guys when I do get the results so you guys can, you know, but like, yeah. And then this is like the collection bag, and they give you something like, this is like a tube. I guess you could just spit in the tube. Yeah, and the good thing about it is that they give you a box to put it in. So when I go to the post office, USPS, then I just get to drop it in their mail set. And it has the adhesive tape there, so I don't have to worry about it. Which reminds me, I need to add tape to my list because I keep forgetting. I need tape. We just start doing this. I'm not gonna vlog me spitting because that's kind of like really gross. So it gives you the instructions of how to do it. So I need to spit in the tube and fill it up to like the line. So I'm just gonna open the tube right now. So, oh my gosh, I have to spit all the way to here. Like, that's a lot of spit. Once I spit in there, then I take this off and I put this on top. So I'll just spit in there and then I'll show you guys. I feel like I have a little bit too much spit in there. Like, there's a lot of bubbles. It says not including bubbles, so I gotta make sure like all the bubbles are out. The next step is to this. I gotta take this and then you replace it with the funnel cap, which is this. And then it says tighten to release the blue thing that's in there, so I gotta tighten it. It's not releasing. What the heck? Release. Oh, it's releasing now. I don't know if you can see, but the blue is going down there. Take the tube for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to put it in the collection bag. So this is the bag, so I gotta put it in there. I gotta put it in there. So, yep. Then I have to seal it with the adhesive. So, oh baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours, yeah. And since that's in there, then I just put it in the mailbox. And then I gotta seal this with this adhesive. And there you go. Now you're good. I'm gonna take the USPS tracking number. I'm gonna go to my mom's. There's a post office near my mom, so I'm just gonna go there. So guys, I will see you when I get to the post office, or my mom. I'm not gonna vlog in the post office at all. I just gotta bring it in. So yeah,
I just had some food at my mom's. I had some good food, and now I am actually going to the store. And when I get to the store, I just gotta buy some things, and then I gotta leave. I'm not gonna stay at the store long at all.
So right now I am at Walmart. You can't really see the sign back there. Yep, right there. I'm at Walmart and I'm going in the store now to get some things. I don't think I'll vlog in there, but I'll just show you what I got after. Alright, so I'll see you in a bit. It's draining me in Walmart. Walmart was a lot of work. I forgot to pick up something in Hartford, so right now I'm going to go back. I can't show you guys everything that I bought because some of them aren't mine, and I don't like showing things that I'm giving people. So I'm not going to show you everything, but I bought some Tums. This is actually like 50 cents. Pretty cheap. It's pineapple coconut, so I'm kind of interested to try it. This is just for when I overeat, because you know it's about to happen. It's just for when I overeat, and then I could take it instead of not being able to eat at all. I got this lotion. I like the cherry almond, and I haven't seen it in so long. I'm gonna leave this where I'm going when I get there, so I bought an extra one for myself to stay at home. What else I got? I got my tape. Remember I was telling you guys I got this deodorant. It's the spray one. I already have the other one, but I don't want, like, because I have a lot of sleeveless stuff that I'm gonna wear, and that means I'm going somewhere warm. But I don't like the white under my armpit when I could just spray this. I have a sunscreen. It's the banana boat. I like this one, and I also like that it makes your skin like glow. So I'm gonna get braids, so I bought these ear ties that I'll be wearing, like, so when I'm in the water I could just like put these in. And I bought this shaving thing to shave my legs. Not my legs, I never shave my legs, and don't judge me, I just don't like shaving my legs. I bought this, and I have the shaving cream already, so like not too bad. And then I got 2 of this to bring with me. Oh snap, I forgot something. I was supposed to get gum so I could bring, because I'm gonna be flying on the plane, and I got Stay Free. You don't need to see that. But yeah, that's all I got. So now I'm gonna, oh my gosh, even my water is hot. I'm gonna head to Hartford right now. water's too hot. So I'm gonna head to Hartford right now, pick up something from Nicole, and then I have to take care of another business thing that I need to do. And once I do that, then I'm gonna just head home because listen, your girl is tired and I need to finish packing and I need to do some schoolwork and I need to sleep, all that stuff. So oh, and I'm going somewhere to pick up someone later. It's 3:12 right now, so I'll be picking them up around what time? I think 7. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay. Y'all, I stopped at, oh my gosh, my light's on. I stopped at whatchamacallit, McDonald's to get something to drink because it's so hot, and I have my stuff in my car. I have water in the car, but it's too hot to drink the water in my car, so I'm just getting something from McDonald's real quick, just the drinks, and yeah, I'll be on my way. I made it home, and oh, let me show you my COVID test. Negative. Y'all, I did my hair and it's not bad at all, and it's my first time trying it. Like, I did it and I need to hot water this, but altogether not bad. I have a baby shower I was telling y'all. Actually, today's Saturday, okay? Yesterday I was telling you about the baby shower. I didn't get to vlog the rest of the night because I was so tired. I fell asleep. All that, I didn't even get to do as much schoolwork as I wanted to. Nothing really happened yesterday. So today, right now, I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm going to Rainbow to see if I could find the white sandals. So that's my goal for today. So we'll see. So. Y'all, I just got my nails done, but my toes are ashy now. Okay. This is nothing. Like, what is this? It's like a jeans underwear. So guys, I left the store and now I got the bag. And now I am at my car. So I'm just going to, oh, I have to go to Dollar Tree so I can get some candy and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do right now, actually. But yeah, I wanted y'all to see my hair. This is how my hair looks. Oh, she's watching me record myself and she's laughing. Oh my god, not good. Yeah, I'm about to drive to Dollar Tree and I'll show y'all the candy there. So yeah. Well, that's not a bad idea. And extreme sour. I like the watermelon. So Patch Kids watermelon is the best. Ooh, these are so yummy. I'm gonna eat them on the plane. What else do I need?
No, I never had a Starbucks coffee. Nope.
I have no idea what they need, because I'll just pick up some random candy. They got hella candy in here. Dun, dun, dun. These are always a go-to, even though they're not good for you at all. I'm home right now and I didn't vlog anything at the baby shower, but it was good. They had Jamaican food, thank you Jesus, and yeah, they look beautiful. I'll put a picture right here, just one. So anyways, pretty much finished unpacking. My room is still a mess, but that's okay. And now I gotta do my schoolwork because I just have to get things done. But my hair wasn't a bad, it wasn't a fail. I'm gonna practice and perfect it and yeah, work on it. But yeah, I'm taking this out like tomorrow, Sunday. So yeah. Y'all, it is travel day and it's very hot now. I should take my jacket off, but I need it for the plane. Oh, sorry, I forgot my little blanket for the plane. I gotta go back inside. My cousin is here to get me, but I have my little suitcases right here, but I need to go back in for my blanket because I just can't be on the cold plane without my blanket. I have my suitcases. I'm using my phone right now. I'm waiting on my cousin to come around so that he could pick me up, because otherwise I have to walk all the way down there with 2 suitcases, and that is no fun. So yeah, I told him to come around, so I'm waiting on it. But I have my mask and I have my blanket. I'm gonna spend a lot of my time under my blanket just to make sure that I'm safe from COVID, you know? Still taking precautionary measures because, you know, you gotta be safe. But yeah, and I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna ask him to stop somewhere so I can get something to eat because I'm starving. Okay. Alright, so I'll see you guys somewhere. So, we should start earlier.
I look too good to be alone.
He drove me safe. Okay guys, I just passed TSA and now I honestly need to find a bathroom and some food, so that's what I'm gonna do right now, because I'm starving. No. It's not that bad. And I have not bad. My favorite Ollie. Guys. So now I'm boarding.
With this law, may be subject to denied boarding, removal from the aircraft, and or penalties under federal law. If a condition on the flight necessitates, your mask should be removed, accommodated placement, and wearing of an oxygen mask. If you are seated in our emergency exit rows, you may be called upon to open those exits in the case of an emergency. If you are unable,